The division bench is seizing over the matter. We have been asked to submit the report in respect of everything, and that will be taken up at 12 noon. Today itself.
Yes.
Other lordships, if lordships wish to hear, I have no objection, but everything will be presented there.
Let me hear. I do not know what the matter is about. What is your prayer?
This is a society, my lord, which is undertaking philanthropic activities.
Society?
Yes, it's me, my lord, who is the treasurer. He has been authorized, my lord. And in terms of Section 19 of the West Bengal Societies Registration Act, my lord, the office bearer, my lord, is competent, my lord, to sue, my lord, on behalf of the society. Presentation, my lord, in so far as, my lord, the recent unfortunate incident, my lord, that took place in Murshidabad. Now, there are several people, my lord, who are affected, who are impacted. Now, my lord, page 27, annexure P2, my lord, will find, my lord, we have made applications seeking permission, my lord, to go there to provide aid, my lord, to the persons who have been displaced, baby food, tarpaulin, food, water, my lord. These are the things, my lord, that we intend to go and provide, my lord, to the, my lord, people who are affected, my lord. So, my lord, seeking that, my lord, we have made applications, my lord, to the district magistrate, to the subdivisional officer, to the SP, my lord. My lord, it has not been responded to, my lord. So, my lord, I have, my lord, been constant to, my lord, knock the doors of justice, my lord.
This is page 27 was served through email?
My lord, yes, my lord. 27 has been served, my lord. Page 28, my lord, will find
29,
the proof of service, my lord. 30 again, my lord.
Yes. Is there any restraint order restraining anybody from going there?
My lord, not to our knowledge. In fact, my lord, I have come across a news article as well, my lord. My lord, my esteemed senior friend will be in a better position to apprise, my lord, if there is any restraint
Not to
order
your
or not.
knowledge?
But, my lord, I find, my lord, on 13th of April, my lord, 2025, the Director General of Police, my lord, has my lord, said to the press, my lord, that the situation is fully under control now, and forces are on the vigil while normal.
So who is stopping you? If
But
you
we
want to go there, is anybody stopping you?
My lord, for providing, my lord, relief materials, and, my lord, for setting up relief camps, my lord. My lord, we seek, my lord, need the permission, my lord, of the district administration, my lord, in terms of Section 1, my lord, of the Police Act. But the executive head of the district is, my lord, the district magistrate, my lord. No. So, my lord, the district magistrate, my lord, that is what, my lord, is clarified, my lord, under the Police Act, that the executive powers of the district magistrate will not be impacted or touched, my lord. So we make applications, my lord, to the SDPO, to the DM, as well as to the SP, that kindly ensure that we can go there and we can peacefully undertake it and thereafter come back, my lord. We intend to, my lord, these are the areas that we intend to visit, my lord, under the Shamsherganj PS. We have specified that also, my lord, in our representation. That is Bedbona, Jatrabad, Ghoshpara, Ratanpur, Lalpur, Chhetipara.
Let me hear your learned senior friend.
Yes, and, my lord, one more thing, my lord, I'll just clarify, my lord, before my esteemed senior friend, my lord, places his case or his version of the case. But the public interest litigation, my lord, which has been referred to by my esteemed senior friend, my lord, I also had the occasion to appear in the public interest litigation. It is completely on a different footing, my lord. The public interest litigation deals with, my lord, deployment of central paramilitary forces and, my lord, seeking, my lord, an investigation by the NIA, my lord, insofar as, my lord.
Can you not make this prayer before the
in my understanding, my lord, this cannot be, my lord, because this is, my lord, a society. The society has exercised their rights, my lord, to go there and, my lord,
all right,
provide
let me
relief.
hear. Yes, please.
First of all, although it is a Khola Hawa petitioner, but there are so many Bondo things are there. In this Khola Hawa, president is the ex-MP BJP president. One of the trust member is the opposition leader. Yesterday, opposition leader moved a petition before Justice Titwankar Ghosh. He wanted to go. Justice Ghosh has referred the matter to the division bench to decide. Well, the incidents of Murshidabad are known, and we have High Court's directed to take the assistance of the Central Police Force. This has been done. There are so many places. At present, now 144 has been imposed.
Page 26.
And relief is being granted by the state government to everyone.
What is the problem if additional relief somebody wants to give?
No, because the problem is this law and order. Nothing more than that.
Now, you are not maintaining the law and order now.
I am
under
maintaining, but
as per the court's order.
We are doing it. We will place the entire things before the division bench. If the court is not satisfied, then
no, that is different. That is up to the satisfaction of the court.
If your lordship wishes to, I can tell your lordship the report.
No, the court doesn't. Do not want the report.
Any outsiders' presence in the guard of these types of petition, if in fact the situation, that would be difficult. These are all political persons, my lord. I can understand non-political person. I can understand Bharat Sevasram Sangha. I can understand Ramakrishna Mission. And who are the persons who have not given the relief? Let them give the list. We are providing relief. All families have been rehabilitated. Some persons are in the schools. Even the persons who have been have gone
The
back.
petitioners will provide a list of persons who will go over there with the relief.
No,
What
no.
is the difficulty?
For the timing, there is an 144 petition. Then only one person will go.
One person will go, or
Let
two
him
persons
go. Only
will
one
go.
person, no more.
2% with all the materials and the baby
Only
food and whatever.
Only 2%. No hatred speech. Nothing.
No,
No,
no
speech.
question of speech. There
Only-
is no question
Only
of
2
speech.
persons. But if there is a 144 is there, if there is anything is happened, police will take appropriate steps.
No, the central paramilitary forces are already
Central
there.
military force is under us. Central military force not
The-
independently doing it.
Very well. Whatever it is,
There is a federal structure.
how many people will go?
My lord, we intend to form, my lord, teams, my lord, small teams, my lord.
Two.
That I am opposed.
Two in a team.
No, in respect of each of the areas, my lord, like for
Two in a
Betona,
team.
That I am
Yes.
opposing. I am opposing this.
can make it, my
They
lord,
are-
a team of three, my lord.
No, no, my
because,
lord, I am
if
opposing.
there are 144
No,
orders,
no,
my
no.
lord, the assembly is 4 or more.
Yes.
We can make it a team
Three.
of
My lord, I am opposing this.
Wait, 1 minute, please. We are
We can-
trying to find
Yes,
out
alright,
the
I'm opposing.
solution. Three.
But 3 for each of the places, my lord. We can form
Three
teams.
different persons,
3 different persons, my lord, for each of the places. But
each of the places. Only for the purpose of distributing food,
yes, for
water,
providing-
baby food, tarpaulin, and
what has been stated in the application, nothing beyond that.
nothing beyond that.
Nothing beyond that.
And places is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And my
8
lord,
places.
Shruti and parts of Dhulian, my lord. Dhulian is
9 and-
already 9 and 10.
9 and 10.
Correct.
3 persons
Teams of 3
In a
persons
team
for each of the places.
for
my lord.
each of the places.
Yes.
The names will be given in advance to the
We provide it to the district magistrate, my lord.
DM.
I am opposing.
Team of 3 persons.
I am opposing.
Why? From 2 to 3 you are
No, I am
opposing?
opposing.
Why? What?
This is purely political. This is
The
purely political.
names and identity cards of the persons will be given to you.
This organization, although it's registered under the society,
But then no politics will be played over there.
Malad,
For sure.
Malad, kindly record my submissions also. Malad, kindly record my submission.
Yes.
First of all, Malad, this is a completely, this is under the guise of Khola Hawa. The political pupils of the Bharatiya Janata Party are trying to enter into.
No, all these things are not here.
Malad, not, I am opposing. Malad, you'll also give me the chance to file an affidavit then.
File an affidavit in the meantime.
No, in the
please,
meantime,
please.
in the meantime, I am taking, you'll also record my submission.
I'll record.
Kindly, Malad, I have not
Number
finished
one.
it. Malad, I have not finished it. I have not finished it. Kindly hear
But
myself.
the court is limiting itself only to this much.
Malad, kindly hear me, Malad.
What further?
But then you'll also do not hear us. You'll also pass order.
No, I have heard you. This is
No,
what you
this is
were
no. I have not finished my argument. I have not finished my argument.
Motion dekhiye ekটু. Yes.
Yes, this is the Malad, situation is this. From 11th, 10th April, there is a condition was very bad. Therefore, deployment of forces were there. Seat has been found. Malad, numerous cases have been lost and persons have been arrested. Administration is trying to bring the situation in peaceful condition. 50% shops have been opened. All reliefs, kindly record, Milord, all reliefs have been granted. All reliefs have been granted by the state government to the affected people. This petition is completely vague petition. Who are the affected peoples? No list is there. No list is there. Therefore, in the name of this petition and by getting this order, the political persons are want to enter into the place. And administration strongly feels that the peace and tranquility of the area would be very much affected, which have been brought within the control. For 3 days, 4 days now, it has been brought normal conditions. Slowly, it is being brought. The areas he wants to go, that is the Jangipur police district. This was the most affected area. And this affected area, works have been done. All reliefs have been given. What adequate reliefs? What is the meaning of the word reliefs? Reliefs for the sustenance. That has been provided. What tarpaulin? Everybody has been given to the, they have been come back to their own home and others have been kept in the school. So what tarpaulin? Who are the persons that they have not got the relief? Is there any pleading? Absolutely vague pleading. This cannot be done, Milord, on the basis of that. Now, Milord, your Lordship takes the case, Milord, it's not a PIL matter. Now, Milord, kindly take the case, Milord, 1988. Now, Milord, kindly excuse me, Milord, I am giving from the soft copy. Just now it has been stated.
What is the ratio that you want to place?
Milord, there must, in a writ petition, there must be a pleading with an evidence. No vague pleading is allowed. Who are the persons are affected? Has he given the names? I will go to that area, I will go to that area, I will go to that area. If he knows the area, then he knows the persons. Who are the persons? he wants to go give the relief. And by taking this order, he will move around the entire area. I have to find out who is not getting the relief, who is not getting the relief. He will try to find out. He will knock all the doors. And this is a political purpose. It is being done. Therefore, let them give the list. I will provide. If it is genuine case, and they have not yet got the relief, kindly record my submission and pass orders.
Are you aware as
But
to
I'll
who are the
just
affected
respond,
persons?
my lord, in a nutshell, my lord. But the fact remains, my lord, we have also annexed.
Not if they rely upon newspaper.
No.
Newspaper,
Court is not.
yes.
Court is
Newspaper-
not looking at any newspaper.
Newspaper, that's right.
Yes.
But I'll just respond in a nutshell, my lord. I have made it a part of the petition that while, my lord, on one hand, but we are a society, my lord. Admittedly, my lord, it's a society registered under the West Bengal Societies Registration Act. There has been no order, my lord, passed by the, my lord, Register of Societies dissolving the society, my lord, or, my lord, seeking any inspection into the affairs of the society. But the memorandum of association is there, my lord, which is annexed as Annexure P1. The objects are set out therein, my lord.
No, you tell me, are you aware of the persons
Society is
who
not the
are
petitioner.
affected?
My lord, my case is, my lord, there are two rights, my lord, that I am availing, my lord, as a society, my lord, both guaranteed under Section 19, my lord. One is, my lord, the freedom to form association. Second is, my lord, the freedom to move freely, my lord, throughout India for, my lord, attaining an object, my lord, which is envisaged under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Because, my lord, it is not possible
No,
for
just
us,
tell me,
Madam.
are you aware?
but
as
we
to
are
who
aware
are
about
the persons
we are
affected?
aware, my lord, about the places, my lord, where, my lord, people have been affected. But as to how many people, my lord, have been rendered homeless, my lord, but humanly, my lord, it is not possible from here, my lord, to go and know that, my lord. My lord, if we take, my lord, the case, my lord, this is just a, my lord, hypothetical situation, my lord, providing relief, my lord, during the COVID period, my lord. I'm asking this question to myself, my lord. I'm asking this question to myself, but it was not
Please come.
known. Yes, and not one more thing, my lord. But it is, my lord, also on record, my lord, that political delegations, my lord, are allowed, my lord. Page 31, my lord, I have annexed, my lord.
No political
I've made it, my lord, a part of the
Petitioner.
petition, my lord.
No political
Is the
delegation.
treasurer
Yes.
of a registered society
No, petitioner is
carrying
petitioner is
treasurer?
treasurer of the registered society.
Yes.
There is no resolution here.
Of
Our
a
resolution has been annexed. Page 38.
registered society allegedly performing philanthropic works. The memorandum of association of the society is annexed to the writ petition. Stop. The president of the society made an application before the subdivisional officer, Jangipur subdivision, and before the district magistrate, Murshidabad, seeking permission to hold relief camp for distributing food, water, baby food, tarpaulin, and other basic requirements to the affected citizens of the district of Murshidabad. Stop. The places under Shamsherganj police station, which the society intends to serve, are mentioned in the letter addressed to the subdivisional officer, Jangipur subdivision, and before the district magistrate, Murshidabad. Letter date 15th April 2025. Stop paragraph. Learned Senior Counsel representing the state opposes the prayer of the petitioner. Stop. It has been submitted that the society is has a political color. Stop. The president of the society is a member of the ex-member of the of the party in opposition.
Ex-member of parliament.
Next, it has been submitted that the state is taking enough care of the affected persons, and there is absolutely no requirement of any additional relief being granted to the for granted. Stop. It has been submitted that.
Can I suggest one thing? Well, just can I suggest one thing? Can I suggest, subject to your lordship, can I suggest, if they want to give any relief, let them give it to the district magistrate will distribute. Let them give it.
All right.
Let them give it to the district magistrate.
Being granted. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that the writ petition is devoid of the relevant evidences in support of the submission that relief is not granted to the affected people. Stop. Next. I have heard the submissions made on behalf of the parties. Stop.
But only one clarification, my lord. But I've taken instruction the president of my lord, this society, my lord, he was not, my lord, a member of parliament, my lord, set up by the Bharatiya Janata Party. He was, my lord, a nominee of His Excellency the President of India, my lord. He was a member of parliament from the Rajya
That
Sabha.
is his submission.
it is-
I
it
have
is-
made his submission. I am not
He
the court.
contested the election as a BJP.
Whatever. The
He-
court is not considered.
No, he contested the election at Bharatiya Janata Party. You would disagree that in Tarakeshwar?
It on behalf of the party.
And law?
Stop. As the the prayer is primarily for providing relief to the affected citizens of the citizens under the Shamsherganj police station in the district of Murshidabad, comma, the court permits the petitioner to form small teams comprising not more than 3 members who may visit the places which are specifically mentioned in the letter addressed to the respondent authorities on 15th April 2025.
3 members, my lord, for each of the areas, my lord.
Yes.
But we kindly clarify that, my lord, otherwise
Yes,
that will
yes.
lead to
3 members বললাম না ওখানে in each of the areas. আচ্ছা, the list of the members who will visit the places mentioned in the request letter shall be forwarded in advance to the district magistrate.
wait for it.
Acha, list of the members along with their identity cards. ঠিক আছে, the items which are specifically mentioned in the request letter may be permitted to be carried to the places mentioned in the letter. Stop. The members. Now, the members are strictly restrained from making any hate speeches or making any type of propagation at the time of distribution of the relief items. Stop. It will be open for the district magistrate to send one of his representatives along with the team that will visit the places for distributing the relief items. It is expected that the members of the team will visit the places solely for the purpose of granting relief and not for any political motive. The matter is made returnable on 5th of May 2025 as urgent motion. The report of the state respondents may be filed on the urgent date.
Sir, kindly, I am praying for stay of operation of the order. Because, and also, my lord, from tomorrow it's a holiday. Kindly grant me stay.
For what holiday?
Tomorrow is, tomorrow
For relief purpose, why will the holiday?
I'm seeking for a stay of operation of the order. I'm seeking for stay of operation.
Prayer has been made by the learned senior counsel representing the state for staying operation of the order passed here and above. Stop. As the very idea is for providing relief, comma, the court is not inclined to accept the prayer for stay. Stop. The prayer is refused. Stop. The relief items may be distributed on and from Saturday. Stop. The list of the members shall be placed before the district magistrate 24 hours in advance.
We'll do that, my lord.
You know, how many occasions they will go?
How many?
How many occasions they will go? How many days they will do? Your lordships have not passed in order blanket. It is
Not blanket.
no.
They will 24
go
hours
for once time or twice or thrice or fifth time. That thing is.
It is only for 2 weeks. The matter is made returnable on the 5th.
Uh,
How many times do
within
you
2
want
weeks,
to go?
how many times they will
But,
go?
Even if they go for more than once, it will be intimated to the DM and then only they will go. Not that they will go there.
Intimation is not enough because your lordship's order is there. Therefore, they will
Because
enter
the
into
DM
the
is
place.
there.
They will enter into the place with their up to 5th May number of times.
Number of times.
My
How
lord,
many
That-
times?
my lord has made it returnable, my lord.
Yes.
My lord has made it returnable. It is a pending writ application, my lord.
How
My
many
lord, we
times
have
will you go?
My
So
lord-
that no, see,
It will be as
in the garb of the court's order,
My lord,
there
that will
should
not-
not be any
that will not be
political
done.
disturbance.
That
This
will
is
not-
the idea.
that will not be done. My lord has also
Yes.
restrained us.
Uh,
My lord,
exactly.
as Little as required, my lord, for
As
providing
little
the
as required means what?
as little as required, my lord, for providing.
Once-
How many days?
My lord, maximum once a week. Not
Once a week. Once a week in one place. Pradeep, you should go. ওই যে যাবে ওখানে বলেছে না, once a week in one place. It is a matter of 2 weeks, so not more than 2 days in one place.
grateful to your worship.